Hello, and welcome to Adonai the Astronomy Guy. Today we will be going over what astronomy is and some of its history. The main reason people started studying astronomy was because they could look up and see things in the sky. So, as we would expect, people were curious. So, astronomy is basically a natural science study of the sun, moon, stars, planets, meteors, and other celestial objects. It is one of the oldest studies. The first to study observational astronomy was the Italian polymath Galileo Galilei. He was born on February 15th, 1564, and he was the first person to use a telescope to study celestial objects. After he constructed a 20 times refractor telescope, he would discover the largest four moons on the planet Jupiter. This was in 1610. There are a lot of different fields of observational astronomy. Radio astronomy, the astronomy that uses radiation with wavelengths outside the visible range. Infrared, which uses detection and the analysis of infrared radiation. Optical, which was originally hand-drawn until the early 1900s and until now. They use the images created by photographic equipment. Ultraviolet astronomy, using the ultraviolet wavelengths. X-ray, using X-ray wavelengths, and gamma ray astronomy observes wavelengths with the gamma rays being observed by satellites. You may ask why we study different planets. Well, most early astronomers did it because they thought that the planets had something to do with the celestial beings they had worshipped. Now, modern astronomers usually study the planet, sun, and stars to see how wide, how long, what they're made of, and if a planet is inhabitable. Now, let's just do a quick summary of what we've discussed. 1. I told you about what astronomy is. 2. I explained a little bit about the history of astronomy. 3. The multiple types of astronomy. And 4. Why people have studied and study celestial objects. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Hopefully you learned something, and I hope that you have a nice day. Farewell, everyone.